Hello, boys and girls. How are you doing? I hope everything's okay. We're going to start with this presentation about matter, as you can see in the title. Okay, as you may know, this unit of natural sciences is about matter and forces. And the first part is going to be about matter. We're going to review some contents that we have viewed last year in third grade when we were together. Okay. And I think this presentation, the first presentation, is going to be quite easy for you. Okay, so I need you to follow it. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me through the Class Dojo or through Roble or whatever you need. Okay, well, let's start. Matter, this is the first slide. Matter, this is the first question we have to ask ourselves. Matter, what is matter? Matter is anything that occupies a space. Okay, so everything that you can see, everything that you can touch, everything that you can eat, even some things that you cannot see are matter. Okay, like for example, let me ask you this question. Try to think about something that you cannot see but is surrounding you and it's very, very important for your life. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Have you thought about the air you breathe? Okay, yes, that's correct. The air you breathe, all the gases that surround you are matter, are considered matter as well. The chair in which you're sitting down, the sofa, the television, your dog, your cat, your fish, your parents, even you are matter, okay? All of you are matter. So, let's be clear. Matter is anything that occupies space. It's important for you to remember this definition, okay? So, to see an example, okay, we are going to think about matter like if it was a wall, okay? A wall, muro, if you remember. Wall. A wall is made up of bricks, okay? Ladrillos is made up of bricks. These bricks are made up of little stones, small stones. These little stones are made up of sand, okay? Compacted sand. This sand is made up of molecules, small molecules of sand, and these molecules are made up of atoms. Atoms are considered the smallest unit of matter, okay? So atoms is the smallest, is tiny, very, very tiny, that you cannot see. You cannot see them, okay? You need to use very powerful machines. Okay, so for example, my question is, a chair, this chair, is it matter? What do you think? Yes, it's matter. It's matter because it occupies a space. Your sneakers are matter? Yes. This beautiful car is matter? Yes. A football is matter? Yes. A hamburger, is it matter? Yes, of course, of course. So we can find in the nature, we can find matter in 3 different states. I'm pretty sure that you remember all of them. Solid, like in this case, water, an ice cube. Liquid, water liquid, okay? And gas, okay? These are the 3 states. There are more states of matter, okay? But for the moment, it's important for you to remember solid, liquid, and gas, okay? But there are more states, like for example, plasma. But we are not going to study plasma, okay? Summarizing for the first presentation, summarizing. Matter is anything that occupies a space. And there are 3 states of matter, solid, liquid, and gas. Okay? See you. Bye-bye.